welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a wig installation video. So the wig I got, it's the Sensational Butter Lace wig unit 5, and it's in the color 1. This wig was real popular on YouTube like a year ago, but I'm not just now getting into wigs. So I'm gonna use Got To Be glue spray. And I'm gonna put my blow dryer on cool and let it get tacky a little bit. It has 3 combs, so it has one at the bottom, and then it has 2 on the side. The other one is under whatever this is. So first thing I'm gonna do is put some powder or foundation on my ball cap. So I'm gonna just take my foundation brush, and I'm gonna take my Fenty skin tint. I'm literally just doing what I see everybody else do. Like, I am not a wig expert at all. About to say, where the hell is the part at? I hate this part. So I'm not tripping. And I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna cut the lace. All right, I'm back. So I had to cut the lace off camera because I had to focus. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But this is how it looks. I'm gonna put some powder, like, on the lace and in the part. Oh, the powder that I used for the part was this Maybelline Fit Me powder in 330. All right, so I figured out the baby hairs. It just took a little second. I just used the Got To Be glue spray, like I said. Now I'm gonna start cutting layers, and then depending on how it looks after I cut the layers, I'm either gonna do the bangs or I'm not, but we'll just see. Like, the front is just, it's a lot. All I gotta say is I finessed the fuck out of this wig. Cause in the beginning it was looking a little shaky. I don't know. But yes, I definitely prefer a bang over a middle part. And it's giving me old school SZA vibes. Kind of when she used to wear her hair like this. Yeah, I would definitely, if you get this wig and you try it and it's too big, definitely cut it. Sorry, it's really giving me everything it needs to give. I really did that. But yes, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.